In this video, we are going to show you how to connect your WG7000 series to the network. Let's begin by showing you how to connect to your existing Wi-Fi network. Make sure your router is properly set up and turned on, and that your WG7000 is also plugged in and turned on. On the Operations panel, select Menu and then Preferences. Within the Preferences menu, select Network. Here you will be prompted to enter your System Manager login. Within the Network menu, you will see various options of connection. At the top, select Wired or Wireless LAN. At the top, select Wired, Wireless LAN, and make sure it's set to the Wireless LAN mode if you don't want to use a network cable. Next, select Wireless LAN Settings and choose Yes, followed by OK. Here in the Wireless LAN Settings menu, choose SSID settings. This is simply a technical term for a network name. By selecting Select Access Point, your machine will search for nearby networks. Find your Wi-Fi network and select it before pressing Next. The machine will ask you if it's okay to connect to this network. Select Yes. Congratulations, you have now connected your WG7000 to your existing Wi-Fi network. Alternatively, you can connect by manually setting an IPv4 address. To do this, go to the home screen on your Operations panel and select Menu, and then choose Preferences. In the Preferences menu, select Network. You will be prompted to enter your Systems Manager login. Within the Network menu, you will see various options of connection. Select TCP/IP settings. Within this menu, select IPv4 settings, and then choose IP address settings. Select Auto Acquire and turn it off. Press Apply. Now, select Manually Acquire. A screen will appear that will allow you to enter the IP address settings that you wish to use. When you are finished, press Apply. Your machine will configure the settings, which will come into effect after the main power is turned off and on again. Finally, let's look at how to connect to a network by configuring DNS. To do this, go to the home screen on your Operations panel and select Menu, then choose Preferences. In the Preferences menu, select Network. You will be prompted to enter your Systems Manager login. Within the Network menu, you will see various options of connection. Select TCP/IP settings, then select DNS settings and IPv4 DNS server address settings. First, enter your primary DNS server settings, then your secondary DNS server settings. You can also use your DNS hostname, domain name settings, your dynamic update settings, or your MDNS settings. Once you've entered your settings, your machine will configure these, and they will come into effect after the main power is turned off and on again. Congratulations, your WG7000 series is now connected to a network with a fixed IP address.